The new process for us with the Loftware system is much simpler. It's all within the business realm. The business creates their specification. They go into the user interface in the Loftware system, and they build it, and then test it, and revise and test, and then once they're happy with the results, you approve, and you push it to production. The one thing that we've been able to avert here is also the release schedule for new functionality into our production systems. With the label system being somewhat standalone in terms of just getting data from SAP, what we were able to do is push changes to production as we need them. So if there are any label corrections that need to be made, we could make them in a matter of hours, within a day most of the time, whereas with our old system, if it required a change in label layout, it would be weeks. I can actually point to a couple instances where we have changed label layouts to correct issues and pushed to production in a matter of minutes. We've done it in 20 to 30 minutes instead of weeks. That says a lot when you can be that quick to produce the newly corrected labels or newly improved labels. This applies when you're creating new labels for markets, when you're correcting minor design flaws, or enhancing your data representation. It also helps when you have changes in branding or marketing decisions that affect the label. And I would call these the across-the-board changes. That's where a logo has changed or certain information has changed, and every label produced after a certain date needs to now conform to the new marketing guidance. That's not much different than regulatory guidance with changes in legislation or new legislation. For those of you in the chemical industry, you know very well that the GHS adoptions in many countries mean at a certain point you have to stop producing the labels that you have been and go to the new GHS formats. So it's very important, it's even vital for some businesses to make sure that you can get those labels out to the market as soon as possible. And that's what Loftware has helped us do.